Navigation tools in Fusion 360 allows you to move around and view your model from different angles. We'll begin with basic controls. Start with panning. Click and hold the middle mouse wheel. The cursor changes into a hand icon. While holding the wheel, move the mouse and the entire model moves with it. This allows you to reposition the view without rotating the model. To orbit the model, hold Shift key, then click and hold the middle mouse wheel. The cursor changes to the orbit icon and you can rotate the model freely by moving the mouse. Another way to orbit the model is by using the view cube. Left-click the view cube and drag it. As the cube moves, the model rotates accordingly in the drawing area. The view cube is also useful for switching between standard views. Hover over the cube and you will see the different faces and edges highlighted. Clicking on top, for example, switches directly to the top view. Next to the view cube, the X, Y, and Z axes are displayed, which makes it easier to understand the orientation of the model. To rotate the view by exactly 90 degrees, use the arrows on the view cube. Clicking one of these arrows rotates the view to the left or right. The circular arrows rotate the view 90 degrees clockwise or 90 degrees counterclockwise. Clicking the home icon returns the view to the default isometric view. The view type can be changed using the option below the view cube. The current view is orthographic. Switching to perspective makes objects closer to the camera appear larger, and objects further away appear smaller. For most modeling work, orthographic view works better, because parallel lines stay parallel and don't visually converge. Switch back to orthographic to continue working. Zooming is done using the mouse wheel. Scroll one direction to zoom in, and the opposite direction to zoom out. Zooming always focuses on the position of the cursor, so wherever the cursor is placed becomes the center of the zoom. If you want to keep the current view as your home view, click the arrow below the view cube, choose Set View as Home, and select Fixed Distance. Clicking Home now returns to this exactly view. To restore the default home view, select Reset Home. Fusion also allows redefining what counts as top, front, or side views. Select a view, click the arrow below the view cube, and choose Set View As, then select Top. All other views update automatically based on this change. To reset everything, choose Reset Front and click Home. Navigation tools are also available in the navigation bar. Here you will find the most commonly used navigation options including Free Orbit for more smoother controlled rotation, Constrained Orbit for more stable movement, Look At, Pan, Zoom, and Zoom Window. Use whichever option feels more comfortable for your workflow. That covers the essential navigation tools in Fusion 360. Now you know how to pan, orbit, zoom, and control your view using the mouse, the view cube, and the navigation bar. Getting comfortable with navigation is important because it makes working in Fusion faster and more intuitive. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!